guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah, and today we are back at Ashley and Alisha's house. Last time we were here, we made over the coffee corner, if you guys remember. Okay, and open.
Oh my god! It looks like the massage place!
Hey, I hope that's a good thing! And today we are going to be working on making over the entryway. An entryway is a really important space because it's the first thing that people are going to see when they walk into their home. So I really want to make sure that we are able to bring a cohesiveness to their home to tie it in with some of the other elements they have going on. I want it to represent both of the girls, and I want it to be a wow. So do you guys want to see what we have planned? Well, let me show you.
We're back. Oh,
Wait.
Nope. We're back. Remember that time that we told Cher we had other rooms?
Like multiple other rooms.
Cher and Tyler,
Same page.
we have a lot more space. If you are free,
Plenty of extra rooms.
let me know. We were being serious.
Very serious. So serious. The whole house.
As you guys know, Alisha is very glam, whereas Ashley is definitely more organic. So I wanted to make sure that both of the girls are represented in this first entryway.
So this time we really wanted to get help with our entryway. We don't really show it too much in our videos.
Never, really.
So it's very plain.
Yeah, there's nothing there. Actually, there's
There's
a plant.
one little table,
We have a plant that I love and take care of all the time.
and there's that little thing I got from Target from the $3 section.
Yeah.
It says like home is sweet or something. I think it might have been $1.
We really wanted it to be like 50% Alisha and 50% me, but like where is that line? Because she has like more of like a glam aspect to her, and mine's more of like a boho chic kind of style.
Also, Alisha and Ashley really wanted something different in their entry. They didn't want to do something basic. They wanted it to feel different, but they didn't really know exactly what they wanted.
We loved what happened with the coffee corner. Like,
Because it was a perfect medium.
Yeah, loved it. So thinking of the entryway though, I feel like with the coffee corner, we had an idea of what we wanted, but with the entryway, we really don't care. I just want it to look good.
Yeah, I just want it to be like a good transition, like entering the house, and then here's our living room,
Yeah.
which is pink.
Yeah.
So it's like you need to be like, prepare yourself for pink, you know?
Yeah.
In a good way.
Yeah.
That's what we're hoping for.
Yesterday I was here with Ashley and we actually DIY'd this amazing plant wall that is like, it turned out better than I could have ever imagined. If you guys want to see this plant wall tutorial, I will link Ashley's video below. She posted that on her main channel. You guys can see step by step how we did this plant wall, get the materials, and implement it yourself.
We did a DIY wall together, me and
we went to
Sharrah
Home
did.
Depot.
And we went to Home Depot to buy the plants for
I
it.
helped.
So we do know about the wall, and we're very excited to see the wall like in its complete form.
Today, I am back again. I am going to be working on putting a few beautiful little touches to our wow wall and make it look amazing. Do you guys want to see what I got? Let's go check it out. So the girls also had a yoga mat as a rug. It was just a little bit short. I really loved their acrylic table, so I just took it from one side of the hallway and moved it to the other. So first I had Elena, my assistant, hold up the mirror on the wall. I knew I wanted that mirror to be center, and all of the planters would be measured off of the placement of that mirror, so we got that traced on first, and then we moved in all the fun accessories. This rug was such a perfect find for the space. It ties in the pink from the living room, and it fits perfect, unlike the yoga mat. And as you guys can see here, the accessorizing process is truly trial and error. I kind of put things on, take things off, move them around, which is exactly why I always say overbuy your accessories, because sometimes you're definitely gonna need some backups. I added an art piece that reflected their color palette in their home. These books here were a mix of glam for Alisha by using a Chanel book that they already had. And then I found a really cool book on how to keep houseplants for Ashley. Even with the candles, the geometric glass candle holder was definitely more glam with the smooth finished brass. And the cement candlestick holders were definitely a little bit more earthy. They still had a little layer of brass on them. I love utilizing little accessories like this because it really helps bring in both of the girls' styles. And I love the fact that I could use candlesticks because it definitely gave me a lot of different height variations, which I love. Even with this basket, it's a very earthy, organic basket. But of course we put some sheepskin fur in there, and I stole this blanket from their living room. Hopefully they don't mind, but I thought it was the perfect cozy texture, and the pink was perfectly matched to the rug. See, even Chloe loves it.
I'm super excited to see it. I've been hearing them like working away, and I'm really excited to see.
We got a little sneak peek.
We got a little sneak peek.
Okay, you guys, we are about to take the girls down to see their entry.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm hyperventilating.
Watch your step. Okay.
Okay.
Here.
Now?
Right
Now.
Now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! We got the rug! Looks so good. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Guys.
Plants look so good.
I know.
They look so
We
good.
killed the plant game, can I just
Killed
say?
the plant game.
This is so beautiful. Cozy.
I love the stool.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I love the rug.
Like
I love the
rug.
pops of pink.
Yeah.
But still the earthy.
Yeah.
But I felt, okay, so I feel like this rug is a really great transition to your pink living room.
Yeah.
It prepares the
Wait, can we
guests.
talk about the little Target runner?
You mean the yoga mat?
This is, I love how it's still simple too, like it's not too overwhelming.
Right, and it's very organic feeling. It's still very much like a glam,
I'm gonna
but
so. Oh, shut up! Wait, what? What? I literally like, went like this in the mirror, and you're like, wait, what's that? And saw this. Oh, cute. I love. Are they like paint swatches? Is that what they are?
yeah, they're like little polka dot swatches. So what I love about this like painting encompasses your home. Yeah, it's kind of like your color palette. I always tell people to put your color palette somewhere in your house so you can stick to it.
Watch that in your video.
Did you?
But I
Yeah.
love how like that's our blanket and this was our like I like how you like took some of that.
And that's your Chanel book.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. This looks so good.
Now go back upstairs and walk down and look at it.
Yeah.
No, that's like here.
Guys, I'm obsessed.
I love it. It's so good. It's so good.
It's literally everything I wanted it to be, but I didn't even know what I wanted.
The plant wall is just going to just be my everything.
Well, I've never seen that before.
They're
and that's
real.
What I wanted.
Like I'm going
You
to be
love that.
watering them. And it's going to be like, my soul is going to be like
Ashley
pouring
will be
into this.
watering
I'm
all of
so
them.
excited. It's beautiful. I think it's perfect. I've seen things like that in like restaurants and like cafes, but never in someone's home. So I'm like just pumped that that's in our house.
I love how it's so different. Like I
feel like in like a month, maybe 2, we'll be scrolling through Pinterest and we're gonna see a picture of our wall on there, and I'm gonna be like,
a few
whoa.
days.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. So when people come over, they can just see this beautiful entryway.
It's perfect, and I like how it's I mentioned before that I wanted it to be a good transition into the living room, and I think they nailed it. It looks so good. Snaps for Sharrah.
Okay, I just got home. The girls' entryway is done. I feel so good about it. I'm so happy with how that space turned out. I love how we were able to incorporate both of the girls' style. I think it totally makes sense in their home, and I think it's a wow. All in all, I'd say that was a pretty successful day. I hope you guys loved watching the process of installing their entryway. If you don't know already, we are doing another room with Alisha and Ashley in, well, a couple of weeks actually. And the next space that we're tackling in their house is their office. So stay tuned for that big reveal. There's just so many fun projects going on this summer. Okay, you guys, I'm glad that you tuned in. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. We love new subscribers. And if you have not yet thumbed up this video, give it a like and leave your comments below. If any of you guys want to find any of the products that you saw in this video in the girls' entryway, whether it's the succulents or the planters or any of the furniture and decor, I will link that below in the drop down box. Head over to the blog and check that out, and hopefully that will help you guys find some of those products. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.